A 72 Chevy Impala convertible, LS swap. Yeah, baby. Hey.
I don't know about how y'all don't ride, but my husband got that thing.
Okay then, baby.
My husband did it because he can do all things through Christ who strengthens him.
That's it. Look over, look over. If you just like looking at some nice, clean, old school cars, if you like learning about LS swaps, I know you want to get your LS swap up and running as quick as possible. I know you don't want to spend unnecessary money. What I'm about to share with you today is going to help you accomplish just that. So YouTube, make sure y'all pay attention. Make sure you watch the video all the way through. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can see the videos when we post them. Make sure you drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap. You too. You too. This your boy, Tone, coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevys R Us, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We outside today, and we ain't in the garage, catching some of this beautiful daylight, you know what I'm talking about? But anyway, YouTube, if you like old school cars, if you like learning about LS swaps, there it is right there, man. 72 Chevy Impala convertible. Got the LS swap. You know what I'm saying? You can look on the YouTube channel. I take you through a step-by-step process with all the LS swap wiring. Y'all see that, man? Y'all see how I got that? Them cables running. They off of the manifold, and I got them zip tied. Got the starter wire. Y'all see that solder on the end right there? Had to extend it and solder the wire right there. But that's the starter wire. We got the crank position sensor wire. It hooks up right here. And we also got the knock sensor wire that is right here. Y'all see it right there. All three of those come right down beside the block and hug the block. And I was just doing some cable management to make sure that they don't overheat. I got them triple wire loom on them to protect them from the heat. And I got them tied up against the block away from the header. Learn LS swap wiring step by step. Click on that link in the top right corner. Also, we did the fuel system. YouTube. Got everything together. Got the fuel lines. Got the ends on the fuel lines. Got a little cable management going on up here. Got my sending unit ground, and this is my fuel pump ground. This is the fuel pump hot wire, and this is the sending unit hot wire. I just put it in some little wire loom. There goes the fuel line right there. From the top going down right there. And there you go, you can see better now. So it's coming down from the engine compartment. I got a stainless steel zip tie. Stainless steel zip tie. Got it tucked up underneath the frame, right up in there. Goes underneath the cross member. Boom. There it goes, still along the frame. I got another stainless steel zip tie. It's tied to the old line. Let me go over here.
That's a better shot. So it comes underneath the cross member. Stainless steel zip tie to the old line. Another stainless steel zip tie to the old line. We're coming out here. Stainless steel zip tie to the old line right there. And then we have our filter regulator right here. It's actually mounted. I got a
look on the YouTube page, man. Click on that link in the top right corner, man, and see every step of the way that we built our LS Swap fuel system, YouTube. YouTube, I know you want to get your LS Swap up and running as quick as possible. I know you don't want to spend unnecessary money. Man, these LS Swaps already cost enough money. So what I'm about to share with you today is gonna help you accomplish just that. What I need for you to do, YouTube, I need for you to make sure you pay attention. Make sure you watch the whole video. I wanna help save you some money. I wanna help save you some pain and frustration while you working on your LS Swap. I'm here for you. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS Swap, YouTube. First thing first, man, I wish I had known how sensitive the power steering system is on the LS engine, man. I don't know if y'all know or not, but I went through so much with my LS Swap power steering. It's a lot to learn to make sure you ain't running around in circles. I had to put 3 different power steering pumps in 2 different power steering boxes on my 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. I don't want you to have to do that. The knowledge and the information and the things that I want to share with you about this, make sure y'all check out the Easy LS Swap power steering. If you want to learn about everything that I had to do, because this power steering system is so sensitive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, check that playlist out, man. Click on that link in the top right corner, man. Easy LS Swap power steering, bro. I'm telling you, it's gonna save you some money and it's gonna definitely save you some frustration. No chaser. I'm gonna tell you straight up, YouTube. Next thing next, YouTube, I had some issues with my charging system, man. And as you all know, that's very, very critical to the operation of your brand new LS Swap that you just recently completed or that you plan on completing. That thing got the charge right, man. And I had some charging issues. And guess what? I've already beat them issues, and the knowledge and the information I want to share with you to make sure that you don't have that same problem. Make sure that y'all check out LS Swap common problems and issues and how to resolve those problems and issues, man. I'm telling y'all, this information very, very potent to you, man, because I know you don't want to have no charging issues with your brand new LS Swap. You want your car reliable. You want it dependable. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to have to be getting no jump off and all that. You know what I'm saying? Check that out, YouTube. I'm telling you, it's going to save you. No chaser. It will save you time. It will save you effort. It will save you money. So listen to me, YouTube. Make sure y'all check out the common problems and how to fix those common problems. Click on that link in the top right corner. Matter of fact, check out some of the LS Swap tips and tricks, YouTube. I'm telling you, this is information, not that I just Googled or learned offline, but this is information. These are tips and tricks, YouTube, that I actually had to deal with. I don't want you to have them same problems, YouTube. So make sure y'all check those videos out. Lock in with Chevys R Us. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn your notification bell on. Make sure you drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. You too, you too.